Hey, Scott New with the Yamaha Outdoors here, and I'm going to talk to you today about our recreational vehicles featuring the RMAX4 1000 and the GRIZZLY ATV. So let's go take a look. We'll start things off with our best-selling big bore recreational ATV, the GRIZZLY. This is our XTR edition, which comes in this new 2026 color scheme, but it also has 14-inch aluminum wheels, Maxxis tires, and a worn winch that's on the front. Some of the great features that carry across the GRIZZLY lineup are our front and rear steel racks, over a 1,300-pound towing capacity, a new electric power steering unit, our Ultramatic transmission, which features a Yamaha exclusive 10-year belt warranty, our on-command four-wheel drive system, and then best of all of our full-size ATVs are proudly assembled at our factory in Newnan, Georgia for the world. So now let's transition over to the RMAX 1000 lineup, which is a recreational side-by-side. This is our RMAX4 1000, which features a full-size rear cabin as well as a dump bed. This is our 2026 limited edition, which gives you this cool new color scheme, but you also get a TFT meter at the steering wheel, Fox IQS suspension that allows you to adjust the suspension from inside the cabin, a rear view camera, and rear door speakers for your passengers. At Yamaha, all of our vehicles are tested, built, and designed to be proven off-road to live up to the expectations that you have. And that goes into all these new features that we have in the RMAX 1000 lineup. Starting off with our legendary on-command four-wheel drive system. We have bigger, beefier front and rear differentials that give you quicker engagement and disengagement in two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, and four-wheel drive full diff lock, as well as our new turf mode, which is great for those sensitive terrain applications. Up next is our selectable EPS, which stands for electric power steering, which allows the driver to tailor the feedback from the trail to the steering wheel based on their preference. We've also updated the suspension settings to provide improved ride quality in various terrains and speeds, and in the limited edition you get the Fox IQS suspension, which allows you to adjust the suspension from inside the cab. We've even updated the brakes to a new haze system to really give you that ideal braking power and feel with reduced braking noise. The Limiteds also feature a TFT meter right here at the steering wheel. The great thing about that is you can not only customize the look, but it's really a bright full color screen as well. Now let's talk about our Yamaha genuine parts and accessories, starting off with a side view mirror. Has a great fit and finish to it. And the nice thing is if you're going on the trail, you happen to clip a tree, it gets pushed in, it folds in nice and easily. You can move it right back out, it locks into place, has a clear glass on it to provide that great visibility. That's because our testing team and our designing engineers, they make sure that our accessories have that same durable and reliable fit, finish, and feel as our accessories and our side-by-sides. One of the great things too is we have a lot of different windshields to really tailor to each individual driver or customer's needs, like this new tip out that has a cracking feature to allow minimum airflow, and then full open to where you have that maximization of airflow all the way through. Our testing team even makes sure that these struts on the sides are not going to have any wiggling at all, and so when you're going down the trail, even on those rough rugged trails, it's going to stay locked and solid into place. And that's one of several windshields that we offer to really match your needs. Now, one of my favorite accessories is our bed rack. That's because if you're riding the RMAX4 1000 with 4 people, you have plenty of storage for everyone back here, but also if you're hunting, you got room for game in the back as well as all your gear up top. Now, that's just a few accessories that we highlighted in the RMAX4 1000, but if you want to see the full lineup as well as all of our ATVs and side-by-sides, you can go to YamahaMotorsports.com.